Get ready. The USA Science and Engineering Festival is going virtual. Introducing SciFest All Access Virtual Expo, an all-ages event free for students, families, and the next generation of STEM leaders. Teleport into 7 zones and look into the future of STEM. Explore the future of science and technology through an interactive STEM experience. Join the quest in pursuit of STEM clues in an epic scavenger hunt. Gain an all-access pass to exclusive performances on the STEM stage. From music to experiments to magic, there is a show for everyone. Launch your STEM career. Gear up for your journey, and much more. Plan a virtual field trip for your classroom or family, and launch your students into new realms of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.